hard, but we enjoyed it. We're happy. Finally eating the breakfast and stuff. How you feel, baby?
What?
How you feel? Are you happy to leave? Having breakfast here for the last time. Well, the last time for now. I think we'll be back, right?
Years now.
Years? Oh God, you don't like it that much? Huh? You took more grapes from me? But babe, little breakfast. Me, I get more bigger.
I thought I said I was gonna miss you, but think about it.
You said you had 7 days of raw bad headache.
You pissed me off,
I
really.
will miss you. And I will miss this place.
Yeah. It's a nice
After they went up with laundry with toilet water, go talk about $22 per person. Boy, if you don't get your say something, babe.
Nah, say no.
If you don't get your bald-headed ass out of
The
here.
people, yeah.
Guys, another piece of problem, bro. Let's see. Courtney. We are leaving Panama now. Courtney never signed the, I asked him last night, I said, guys, I said to him, you do the code, the application to get back into Jamaica, and tell me, say, I'm a resident, so that not really matter. So we come to the airport now. We reach like literally right on time, and when we come in now, they must say, boy, in need the QR code to come in at Jamaica. So we had to fill it out online and send it in, and Jamaica not verify that till like literally Jamaica don't verify it until hours sometimes. So him have like an hour before he can get on the flight, and 1 hour is not enough. 1 hour is not enough. Guys, use one of the good ones. The blurry one, someone they are very adamant about not getting us without that thing. So he was the only one. So right now they're on the plane. So I'm bored that good. Once you reach at Jamaica, I'm not really too fret. But I did just want him out of Panama because the next flight was like a whole week in advance, and trust me, nobody knows I spend them the money to stay here one next week. So I am here to now make sure I'm board the plane, the woman saying board the plane. So guys, a bag of stress. But once I'm up on the plane and I'm off, now I see him off before I leave because things and things. But he don't have Wi-Fi, so I can't call him right now. So yeah, I'm excited. God send me get on to go home because you would have to stay next week in another place there, and me have to go work tonight. So me now have to go and get 200 or something. They are get 106 now, so they have to exit here so and go through security. My flight leave 10 something. That's when film flight supposed to Port and Court land. So man, I tell you what a rough, what a day. But when we reach Orlando, I'm pray so they know try to question and all the things and stuff. Yeah, I'm not sure you're Courtney playing out there still, so I'm not left till it left. And yeah, that's it guys. So another adventure with Majestic Vlog. That's his plane out there guys. Going to Montego Bay, so yeah, when it leave, I leave. Guys, babe is going bye-bye. This plane is pushing back right there. Makes me a little sad. Very sad. Almost teary-eyed. I'm happy you got to experience flying in another country. It's so sad, but I wish I could have gone back with him, but I have to go to work. I have a few days off, but I'd rather take the other days off so I can go to, that's his point there with the tail. I'd rather take those days off on my birthday time, and I have some stuff I gotta do real quick, so yeah, what I'm gonna do. It's sad, but bye, babe. I love you. See you again. Maybe this month. There is babes. Right. I'm sure he has one of the windows open. I'm not sure what side he's on. I think F would be on this side, but yep. They is going back home. And me, my flight leaves at, starts boarding at 9:50, so I got to go. Because these things are very long. But yeah. Bye, y'all. I'll catch it. I can catch when it takes off, but I think it's gonna taxi all the way out before it takes off. So bye.